Here's a short video showing the Delta table saw working. It works great. The adjustment works great, as you can see by the pictures. It's in pretty good shape as these go. And just to show you that she's good, we're gonna flip that switch. Very good. It also has the removable locking key, so somebody can't accidentally turn it on. Kids can't mess with it, which is a pretty cool little feature. Also, we'll just show real quick and loosening that off to get the angle on the blade. It's a touch stiff, but you want it to be a touch stiff. You don't want it moving on you while you're doing your thing. Okay, that's one. Delta Shopmaster.